Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In celebration of Mardi Gras 2021, I decided to color Mr. Brett's hair Mardi Gras colors. If you would like to see how I achieved this, then please keep watching. All the colors used in this tutorial will be listed down below. In light of the current situation going on with Mardi Gras and things that are happening throughout the world, I decided to do Mardi Gras colors on my mannequin. If this interests you, then continue to watch. Right here I'm just showing you I mixed my yellow and blue together to create a green. And these are my purples with a little conditioner to try to dilute one so it can look a little lighter. And here is the electric lizard on the side of the blue and yellow that I mixed together. And right here I'm just going to start at the back. I think I decided to do the split because I wasn't sure what else to do. Because if you mix purple with any of the other colors, you get like a muddy color. So this is what I decided to do. Okay, right here I decided to use a comb to apply the color because I didn't want to stain his scalp. And I'm just kind of like lightly skimming the hair, thinking I'm trying to get at the very bottom, but apparently I'm not, because once I mix all the colors together it's going to look like one solid color anyway. But here's what I'm doing right here. Okay, now you see me going in with the brush, which is actually the second color of purple, where I had mixed the conditioner in an attempt to dilute it. So right now I'm just using a towel with rubbing alcohol 90% in order to get the stains off his face and scalp, face and neck. So yeah, I'm going back in with the conditioner, but this is a lighter purple. Well, at least supposed to have been a lighter purple with the conditioner. And I'm just kind of working that throughout the hair on one side. Okay, now that we've made it to the other side, I'm going to use my mixture because I didn't want to go to the store and buy green. I just used my my Weller sky blue and the yellow for the color paints, watercolor paints. Right here I'm trying to tap it at the roots to get some depth at the roots, and then I'm going to go in at the very ends with Electric Lizard by Manic and my Framcolor Bold in the color yellow. Initially, I had the Color Charm paints in yellow, and it just didn't do much of anything. It didn't have enough pigment, I guess. And I've already bleached Mr. Brett's hair, and he was supposed to have been like a level 7, and I did a volume 20, and he lifted, but he's probably like an 8. So I was sure it wouldn't take. So what I did was I did a strand test in the back. I don't know if you noticed, but I did 2 strand tests, and the one that came out with most of the pigment that was necessary in order to make any semblance of yellow in his hair, I used that, which was the Framcolor Bold in yellow. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with the Color Charm paints color in yellow. So we'll just see how this turns out right here. Well, I'm pretty much sure I already know how it's going to turn out, because I can actually see the yellow. Right now that's the lizard green from Manic that I'm applying. But yeah, definitely the yellow with Framcolor is way better than the Color Charm paints in yellow. So we're just going to continue to watch here. Okay, it's right here. I believe I'm adding the yellow. So you can see it's a lot different than the lizard green, even though it looks pretty similar, but it's not quite. So yeah, that's the Framcolor yellow that I'm using right now. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, now that I've applied the color, I'm going in for cleanup. 91% rubbing alcohol, and then I'm putting it on a cloth, and I'm going to try to wipe away any of the stains before they have a chance to dry. Right here, I noticed at the top, I could have gotten a little closer because it was like the undertone of the hair in the middle where the parting was, because I didn't want to mesh the two together. So I'm going in and I'm redoing that right quick. Right here I'm using my Tressumme conditioner to attempt to try to apply color on the ends to try to lighten it up, as you can see here, but it really didn't help much. Right here I'm just going to show you what the hair looks like while it's processing. So I'm going to give that a few minutes to process, and I'm going to come back with it shampooed and conditioned. To style the hair, I blew it out dry, and then I went in with a small flat iron to try to give the ends a bump. And I also applied, I believe this is a hair putty, molding clay. And I'm going to apply that onto the hair to add more definition instead of having frizz. Okay, now I'm going to show you a clip of the before and after. Let me know what you think of this color in the comments down below. Me personally, I think he looks like Captain Planet. Well, the haircut and the green side of his head. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.